Hey everybody, welcome back to another day. Angry RV Hippie. Today I'm just going to keep it simple and sweet, especially with my Hoshimotos followers. Please, I know that we all discuss what's good for gut health, what helps with the leaky gut. We all have the same issues. Inflammation, inflammation, inflammation. So today I'm just going to keep it simple. Guys, every day I do fresh squeezed lemon, turmeric, ginger, cayenne pepper shots. Now, again, when we're in an RV and we're traveling, keep it easy. Get you guys a nice, easy lemon squeezer. Simple. I bought a whole thing of ginger. I'm going to do half today. Lemon juice. And then we're just going to do a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of cayenne. And then what I do also, guys, to kind of like mix it up and make it a little bit more not so tart, you can add a little bit of orange juice, grapefruit juice, cranberry juice, and even a little bit of water. Anything that you want to cut that. And again, get a shot of these in a day, guys. Helps with that gut health, helps with digestion. And again, these are all opinionative. This is my journey, but I know that nobody discussed anything for my journey. I'm always looking, so check it out. Follow me along on Angry RV Hippie. Later today, we'll have a dinner recipe. Everything and anything I post is anti-inflammatory, clean, no preservatives, whole foods, grass-fed. I scrub the groceries. I scrub the produce. I do everything I can to help make sure that I don't have that god-awful inflammation. Be sure to click the link below. Thank you. Well, let's add another tip into this day. I don't know if anybody knows on the Hashimoto journey, alkaline water will change your life. Listen, where we're traveling, we have Kroger's. I buy alkaline water. I get these jugs for about $2. And we got a whole water machine here. So I do the 5-gallon jugs. If you go to any Kroger, any water station, you can find alkaline water stations that'll fill up for $1.50 for 5 gallons. I'm telling you, I didn't believe it before. I was just drinking all filtered water, spring, purified, you name it. But since I've been drinking alkaline, I do help and see that it changes a lot of the way I feel. We give it to our dogs. We use it to cook with. Don't forget, get that alkaline water. What's helped me, everybody, is I just got these mason jars. So what you do with your juice, go ahead and prep a batch of it so you can have it for the week. And a tip with the ginger, don't forget, get yourself one of these little strainers. I'll drop a link below where to get one. I mean, a couple bucks. Make sure to strain because that ginger is going to be gritty. Some people like to drink it. Optional, but it's not going to hurt you, not going to kill you. But if you don't want it so gritty, drain out that ginger. Cheesecloths also work very well, guys, but see how all this extra ginger. And again, don't just toss this. It's still fresh. I'm going to put that back in my blender, add more to batch, and keep reusing because, again, it's just ground up ginger, but now you got the fresh juice. And if you are just using one of the little strainers like this, like I have a muddler as well, again, cheap, 50 cents. You know, muddle and push down that ginger because it'll help squeeze out some of that juice. And again, everybody, with following my RV channels, or you just follow my social media, which I love any followers. Don't forget to make your life easier in an RV, or if you just live in a small space, y'all, Magic Bullet. I hopped this off Facebook Marketplace, 15 bucks, man. Don't waste your time going on Amazon. All right, look at these beautiful shots, you guys. Perfect turmeric shots made in the RV. Follow along. Cool.
Too much salt.
A lot of
Salt.
Delicious. Remember, you got to master it. Do it over and over again. Follow along.